Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to fix WhatsApp not working on Oppo phone. If you're facing this problem, you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to apps. From here, go to app management and look for WhatsApp. As you can see, WhatsApp is here, tap on it and now go to permissions. From here, enable all the permissions. Sometimes you don't allow them permission. It is also a reason that WhatsApp don't work. So enable all the permissions. After enabling the permission, go back and go to storage usage. From here, tap on clear all cache, then clear all data. After doing that, go back and close this window. After doing that, your WhatsApp start working fine. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.